Hello students, welcome to Weezy. Weezy here Easy presents NCERT Solution class 12 and today we'll be discussing chapter 2. So, chapter 2 is all about sexual reproduction in flowering plants. So students, in this particular session, we are discussing two things. One, how you're supposed to write an answer, and two, the explanation of a specific answer. So let's have a look with question 1. So students, what does the question 1 say over here says? Name the parts of an angiospermic flower in which the development of male and female gametophyte takes place. So where will you find gametes in an angiospermic flower? So male gametes are found in anther and female gametes are found in an ovary. So in the answer you're supposed to write, development of male and female gametophytes take place in anther and ovary respectively. So for male gametophyte, it is an anther, and for female gametophyte, it is an ovary. Okay students, so here is your question 1.